Facebook just demonetized my friend Facebook page out of nowhere. And there was no warning, there was no message, there was no anything. All she could see was this on the screen. They say your profile is no longer earning money. So if you're a creator on YouTube, you actually need to stop by and watch this video before it actually happens to you. Learn from someone else's mistakes so that you won't be a victim one day. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you the most common causes of this and how to actually fix or resolve this. So the screenshot says it all. Due to unresolved issue with your profile, you have lost access to monetization tools. But the crazy thing is that they didn't even explain what these unresolved issues were. So where does this person start from? But don't worry, I got you. Also make sure you share this video to a friend you know is facing either of this similar issue or this, right? After digging it big, I came to realization that this thing could be one of these three things I'm going to mention to you in this video. And number one is content policy violation. This could either be from our old videos, from our new videos. This might be the reason why she's getting this demonetization on her page. It could be from the old video that she uploaded since 2019, since 2020. You never can tell. It could be because she used a copyrighted music or clips in one of her videos. And I actually made a video on this channel how you can say no to copyright issue. This video will help you to know if a content is actually copyrighted before you post it on Facebook, to save you the stress of posting it, and and Facebook will not strike you for copyright. So make sure you watch that video to bypass that stage, right? So whenever you want to upload your video, go to check for copyright. And if there's any issue, it will let you know. If there is not, you go freely to upload your video. It saves you from the stress. So it could be a sudden spike in our followers or engagement that Facebook flags as suspicious. Most times the reason might be because you are just doing follow for follow, you are not posting content. In a day 100 person can follow you. Even normal YouTube, I don't think that is even possible. Self in a day 100 people can follow you, 200, 500, but you are not even posting the content for Facebook to actually see that you are posting content. No, and these people are watching your content. No, all what you need to do, just jumping from one big groups to another to be doing follow or follow. It's not good. It's actually good if you can still be uploading content, right? But if you're just doing like that, it's not good. When the Facebook noting a spike in your followers or engagement, they detect it as a suspicious stuff, and it's going to demonetize your page. Then let's look at the method in which you can actually avoid this. So number one reason in which you need to avoid this is to regularly check your page quality under the professional dashboard. And another one is that you don't need to post a reused content from TikTok, from YouTube, from Instagram, right? Because Facebook wouldn't like you when you post a content that has a TikTok watermark. I actually made a video on this channel. Now you can remove a watermark from TikTok. A watermark consists of the person username and the TikTok logo, right? So your Facebook respects original content. Yeah, they don't expect to bring content from another platform and post it on their platform. So avoid posting viral trend with copyrighted audio. Avoid posting viral trend with copyrighted audio. And most importantly, always review meta policy, especially around monetization, for you to know what you need to avoid and what you don't need to avoid, and all of those stuff like that, and how you can still stay safe on the app. So another thing is for you to check if your video actually has a copyright before you upload it. I made a video on saying no to copyright. Do well to watch that video because it's going to help you on that. Then what to do if this happens to you? That's what I'm going to tell you. So if your page is actually demonetized like this, these are the major steps that you need to take. So you need to click on the view button to see what the error is or what the notification is. You also need to check for any support inbox message. You just go to your YouTube and check for support inbox. If there's any message, your Facebook is going to drop it there for you. So you need to submit an appeal if the option is available. Just go to your YouTube settings. Make sure you take a screenshot of that very particular place and go to your Facebook support inbox and give it. Report a problem and give it a prompt. Then upload the screenshot and be waiting for Facebook to get back to you. Another thing is that you need to be posting more of original content. Sometimes you post content for consistently for 4 days. This might actually be lifted up from your profile. So I'll be making more of this content to actually help content creators on Facebook to avoid such mistakes. And if there's anything you are or finding it difficult on your Facebook account, or you don't really understand, or you are facing, I don't know how to go about it, please you can do well to drop that in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video on that, because one problem might actually be another person's solution. Yeah, so drop that in the comment section. Let's make a video, let other people see it, and get solution to their problem. So that is the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Have you ever received this kind of message before from Facebook, or at your page or profile ever be demonetized? Share your thoughts about that in the comment section. Bye.